Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 5 and the topic diversity in the living organisms. Subtopic is classification. Based on this we will discuss questions. So let us see that first question. What is meant by the angiosperms and gymnosperms? So the angiosperms, which are nothing but here, these will comes under both phanerogams, which are flower bearing plants, this will be categorized into two, that is angiosperms and gymnosperms. So these angiosperms, which are flower bearing, automatically after the fertilization it just go for the top fruit formation. So seed bearing itself, but the seeds are which is enclosed with the top of fruit, whereas the gymnosperms, seed bearing itself, but naked seeds. That means here they will be exposed to the top of air. Let us discuss the next question. The next question is here. What are the basis of the classification of plants? So based on the three reasons as they have been classified. So the classification, the first one is differentiation with distinct parts. Whereas that if it is differentiated with the distinct parts, whether it is consisting of that vascular tissue or not. So based on that also they have been classified. So if it is differentiated with distinct parts with vascular tissue or not. So whether if it is having that a vascular tissue, you know the meaning of that a vascular tissue, which is nothing but bearing of that the xylem and the phloem. Xylem is responsible for transportation of water and minerals, whereas that a phloem is responsible for that of food substances. So whether if it is consisting of that vascular tissue or not, then seed bearing. Just now as we have discussed the seed bearing, there are two are there. So whether the seed is naked or enclosed with the top of fruit. So based on this also they have been classified that the plants which are into the different groups. So let us see that the next question. The next question is, what are the major divisions in the plantae? What is the basis for these divisions? So major divisions in the plantae are here cryptogams and the phanerogams. So the phanerogams and the cryptogams are subdivided into different groups, where we can find that Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Angiosperms and Gymnosperms. So Thallophyta, just like as a thallus-like body, we can say that all the Spirogyra, the algae which will comes under this category, whereas that a Bryophyta, root-like, stem-like, and the leaves like organisms which has been means here they are all just like as a false, but they will be having that root, stem and the leaves. So these are not as consisting of that true roots, true leaves and true stem itself. Whereas the pteridophyta, which is with the of true roots and stem and the leaves. So these will be consisting of that the true roots, the true stem and the true leaves. Whereas that angiosperms, seed bearing itself, seed bearing, but enclosed with the fruit, enclosed with fruit. Whereas that a gymnosperms, seed bearing, but naked seeds, naked seeds. So if you see that here the algae, it will comes under that Spirogyra. The example it is Spirogyra, Bryophytes, Marchantia. The examples Rixia and Marchantia will comes under that. Some fern plants will comes under this category. Whereas that angiosperms, you can take that monocots and dicots, anything. Here rice and mango, it will comes under. So whereas that gymnosperms, example of these are all the examples of different kinds of plants of this different phylums. So hope you understand. Thank you.